Ready to ditch the credit card and snag some new games on your Xbox One using just a Visa gift card? First, power on your Xbox One and navigate to the Microsoft Store. It's usually found on the dashboard, marked with a shopping bag icon. Once inside the store, use the search bar to find the game or content you want to purchase. After selecting the game, click the Buy button. This will take you to the payment options screen. Here, choose Add a new payment method. You'll be presented with options like credit card, debit card, and redeem a code. Select the credit or debit card option. Now, carefully enter the Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code found on the back of the card. Next, enter the billing address associated with the gift card. Usually, this is your own address, as most gift cards don't have a pre-assigned billing address. Review all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct. Hit that Confirm Purchase button, and you're all set.